officially called cleaning. I'm from the travel business department. Now, I will explain one of the traditional crafts in Indonesia which comes from the Palembang, the namely Palembang Songket. The city of Palembang is known as a contributor to the archipelago's unique cultural heritage, one of which is Songket woven cloth. So it is not surprising that Palembang Songket is often displayed in exhibition and used by artists. Palembang Songket was also designated as Indonesia's intangible cultural heritage in 2013 by the Ministry of Education and Culture, including in the domain of traditional craft skills and proficiency. Who will have touched the origins of Songket are often associated with the capital of the Sriwijaya Kingdom in the past, namely Palembang in South Sumatra. So it is popular because it is rich in historical traits. It is also believed that the meaning of wearing Palembang songket is not only as an aesthetic body protection cloth, but also has the meaning of prosperity, glory, and courage. The history of Palembang songket has been known since the days of the Sriwijaya Kingdom and the Palembang Darussalam Sultanate. This is proven by the presence of songket in the statue at the Tanah Abang Temple Complex, Muara Enim Regency. History records the songket has existed since the founding of the Palembang Darussalam Sultanate. Since then, it has become widely known that native Palembang people often make songket as a side business. It is said that at the time, people who wore songket clothes were definitely descendants of king, sultans, or relatives of the village, so the use of songket is often associated with prosperity and glory. Oral stories are even spread among the people of Palembang. The origin of songket cloth begins with Chinese traders who broke silk, Indian and Middle Eastern traders who broke gold, resulting in the creation of gold-plated songket cloth in the hands of the native population from Palembang. Songket cloth is generally worn as traditional clothing for the people of Palembang to attend traditional rituals including wedding ceremonies, baby hair shaving ceremonies, and as clothing for gaining Sriwijaya dancer. The process of making Palembang songket cloth involves several steps involving high manual skill and patience. The following are the general steps in making Palembang songket cloth. The number one, selection of raw materials. Songket Palembang generally use raw materials in the form of high-quality silk, thread, or cotton thread. The quality of this material influences the final quality of the songket cloth. Number two, making basic weaving. The process begins with creating the basic weave of weft or weft. This is the base of the cloth that will be decorated with songket motifs. This weaving process involves the use of traditional looms. Number three, making songket motifs. The songket motif is added to the basic weaving using gold or silver thread. This is a step that requires a great deal of skill, as skilled hands need to carefully place these additional threads to form the desired motif. Number 4. Additional yarn spinning and weaving process. The gold or silver thread used for songket is often spun first before being attached to the basic weaving. This requires special skills in spinning the thread tightly and uniformly. Number 5. Process of making geometries or floral motifs. Songket Palembang is famous for its rich geometries and floral motifs. The artist will manually place additional threads to form the desired pattern and motif. Number 6. Completion of the weaving process. After the Shonket process is complete, the cloth will undergo the finishing stage. This involves steps such as weaving, trimming, and finishing the edges of the fabric. Number 7. Blackout and dyeing process. Once the fabric is finished, several steps of dyeing and dye may be performed to obtain the desired color and luster in the gold or silver thread. Number 8. Final settlement. The quality of the Palembang Songket cloth is the test and finished by smoothing the edges and smoothing the entire cloth. This process requires time, expertise, and a lot of patience. Palembang Songket making technique according to its meaning. Songket comes from the term songket, which means to embroider with gold and silver thread. So just explain how. Number 1, sweep the thread. Number 2, hold the thread. Number 3, slip on the gold thread. Number 4, connecting thread. Number 5, winding thread. Number 6, refinement or magician tenayan. Palembang songket is made from gold and silver threads, as well as fabrics such as silk, cotton, and a combination of cotton and silk. This basic ingredient makes songket price so high. Genuine Palembang songket is generally decorated with 14 karat thread. The gold thread can be pulled, released, and moved to a new thread base, either silk, fabric base is damaged. Songket Palembang also use genuine silk thread which, before being coated with gold, is still white. Okay everyone, that's all I can explain about Palembang Songket crafts. Sorry if I made a mistake in spelling words. Thank you.